A password for Kathy's computer consists of 4 characters in a particular order. So obviously, the order is concerned, we're going to end up using permutations. The characters are chosen from the following. We have 26 capital letters, A to Z, 9 digits, 1 to 9, and 5 symbols. Alright. The password must include at least 1 capital letter, at least 1 digit, and at least 1 symbol. And no character may be repeated. Find the number of different passwords that Kathy can make. Alright. So let's firstly write the cases in which we can have this password, right? So the first case is we can have, remember the condition is we can have 1 letter, at least 1 letter, and at least 1 digit, and at least 1 symbol, right? But the password must consist of 4 characters, which means for each type of character we can add 1 more. Ne? So what I mean is case 1, we can have 2 letters, 1 digit, and 1 symbol. That will make the password to consist of 4 characters. Case 2, we can have 1 letter, 1 digit, let's say 2 digit, and 1 symbol. Case 3, we're gonna have 1 letter, 1 digit, and 2 symbols. Right. So we're going to do this. Ne? For case 1, I'm going to use combinatorics and combine them with permutations. So what we're going to do is we have 26 letters, we can choose 2, right? Out of 26, we can choose 2. So let's do that. So we're gonna say 26, choose 2, and then the other characters we can only choose 1, right? So we're told that we have 9 digits, we can only choose 1. We have 5 symbols, we can only choose 1 to ensure that we only have indeed selected 4 letters, right? Or 4 characters, I mean. Ne? But remember the order is concerned, so after selecting, we need to now permute them, which is times by factorial 4. Right. And when we press a calculator for this, it gives us 351000. That was for case 1. And for case 2, we're going to have 26, choose 1 now, and then we're going to have 9. We can now choose 2 digits, and then 5, choose 1. We're still selecting 4 characters, but the order is concerned. So after selecting them, we need to permute them. Right. And that is going to give us, let's see, on a calculator, that must going to output 112320. Okay. Now case 3. We're going to have 26, choose 1, 9, choose 1. Now it's 5, choose 2. Do you see it? Then we're going to multiply that by 4 factorial, because after selecting these words, we have to now arrange them. And that is going to output 56160. All right. And then now we can add all valid cases. So C1 plus C case 2 plus case 3, right? Which will be equals to case 1, let's see, it was 351000. So it's 351000 plus case 2 is 112320. 2320 plus 56160, and adding that on a calculator gives us 519480, and that should be the final answer. Those are the possible number of passwords she can make. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.